these are the ironmonger that we have for this chest. But they're all new and shiny. Not going to work with what we want. So let's fix that, shall we? With fire. So the idea here is that the fire will burn off the galvanization and give the metal a really hard, warm, light look. So we'll leave that at 250 for about 4 hours and that'll be ready. Now that the fire has died down, let's see how we got on. Oh yeah. You can see there, they're now a lovely black patina. So, the other thing I did was I sat all the screws in some vinegar for a few days to give them that nice blacked out effect. I did the same for the nails. So with those few tips, a little bit of fire, you get a set of ironmongery that looks old and weathered. It's brand new out of the shop.